starting a beauty business in Ireland, here's a checklist of all the things that you need to do. If you've already started your business and you missed out on a couple of them, just go back and do them now. The first thing you need to do is open a business bank account. That's going to allow you register your business name with the CRO, make sure all your payments get paid into that bank account. You're going to register with Revenue as a sole trader or a limited company, depending on which way you want to go. Register with Revenue online so that you can file your tax returns and claim your VAT back. Start a business plan. You're going to, and the other important thing is when you register your business and register your business bank account, all of the money that you use to buy stuff for your business, make it go through that business bank account so that at the end you can claim back your expenses. Start your business plan. Investigate the competition. This is really important. You need to see what the competition you have, what they're doing well, what they're not doing too well, how you can do better. Fill out your business model canvas. So plan out where you're going to find your customers, how you're going to advertise to them, what you're going to sell to them. Create a credit terms with your bank. So if you need an overdraft to allow you buy in stock. Register for VAT, because if you're a beauty salon, you need to charge VAT on your services. And in order to charge it, you can also claim it back if you have a business bank account. Set up your systems and processes. So this is like how you're going to email people, how you're going to communicate with people, how you're going to train your staff, what kind of safety procedures you have. All of your terms and conditions go into your systems and processes. You need to create your company's policies and statements. So your safety statements, your health and safety statements, your how you patch test customers, all of that you need to do. Select an accountant because they're the ones that are going to help you put in for your tax back and your VAT back and all that at the end of the year. Prepare your financial projections. So this is how much you want to earn every week, every month, every year. And it gives you a plan to work towards. So if you want to earn €1,000 a week, you need to put that into your financial projections, find out how you're going to go about earning that money and how you're going to earn it month on month, because it's one thing doing it in December when it's busy, but you need to be able to do that in January as well when it's a little bit quieter. So you need to plan that out. You need to create a marketing plan. So where you're going to advertise to your customers, where you're going to find your customers, where your customers hang out. Are they on social media? Are they reading notice boards? Do you have an email system, marketing system? All of those kind of things. You need to develop a website. You can have a Shopify website, you can have a Wix website, you can have a WordPress website. There's lots of different options. If you contact your local enterprise office, they have a thing called Trading Online Voucher. We'll give you all the information about setting up a website, and then they have matched funding with regards to grants where they'll give you €2,500 towards building a website. Set up your social media pages. So this is really important to do at the beginning stages because you don't want anyone else to take your name. If, say, for instance, mine is Beauty Business in the Box, when I went to register that name, I made sure I registered the Instagram page and the Facebook page at the same time so no one else could steal it. Then I got a mentor from my local enterprise office. I'm also a mentor for the local enterprise office. So if you need help with your business, get onto them and ask for me to be your mentor. Get a business telephone number so that you can be turned off when you're on your days off instead of being turned on when you're on a beach in Barbados. If you have a business phone, at least you can turn that off and put it to voicemail. Get a business email. So there's nothing worse than getting an email from rollergirl@hotmail.com when it's actually a beauty salon. So get a business email. Get your business insurance. So get the insurance that's for the services that you provide. So if you're a hairdresser, you get hairdressing insurance. If you're a nail tech, you get nail tech insurance. If you're a fully beauty salon, you get full beauty insurance. Make sure all your staff are insured as well. Join a business network. So network with like-minded people, network with other female business owners or male business owners or whatever kind of business owners you want to be around. So get into a network. Set up a CRM. So that's a customer relationship management system. This is how you're going to communicate with your customers. It's how you're going to email them, how you're going to text them, how you're going to find them and phone them. All that information goes into your CRM. Then you need to start finding your customers. finding them, whether it be on social media or notice boards or whatever, and whatever customers that you do have, you need to get them to recommend more customers. So setting up like referral programs, all those kind of things you need to do. You need to contact suppliers. I know loads. I can help you find them if you don't know any. You need to create your payment terms with your suppliers. So either you pay them 30 days end of the month or you pay them cash on delivery, wherever way it is, you need to set up those payment terms. And then you need to have those same kind of payment terms for your customers. So if you have a corporate customer, they might want an invoice and then they pay at the end of the month, or you take cash payments only, or you take card and cash payments only. Whatever it is, you need to set up those terms and let your customers know how they pay you, how much you're going to charge them, all those kind of things. So you need to be as transparent as possible. You need to set yourself up for PAYE, so you need to pay yourself a wage. Remember that all the money that comes into your business is not your money, it's the business's money. You need to take a wage. You need to get some business cards, flyers, company stamp, and that's not the end of it, but that's a lot of it. If you need any help figuring out what it is that you need to know in order to set up your beauty business, I have a beauty business planner on my website. You can go and buy it now or reach out to me and I'll help you any way I can. I'm Sarah Naylor. I'm here to help you nail it in your beauty business.